and gentlemen, welcome back real quick. 2019 to 2022 GMC Sierra. Now, only variation here is going to be, this is a 6.2. And what I'm doing here, might have to get a step. Nah, we won't need a step. It's a real quick video. What we're doing is putting a catch can on. Let me flip this screen around so I can actually, let me take that camera, sorry. Let me take that camera off. Now, it is important, this is a 6.2 like I said. This is a 21 6.2. But anyway, right there, I'm not going to name the brand. You've probably already seen it on the bracket. It doesn't matter. They are not a sponsor. Simplicity. You have one bolt that goes to the coolant reservoir that doesn't have any bolts on it. You bolt that on there. This thing here is plug and play. So the one hose where it goes down, that's what goes into the valve cover, and over there, let me get a light for you. Holy macro, not a light. Let me get some illumination. All right, over there, right there, above that last plug-in, you see, right there, plug and play. Right there is the other one. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, plug and play. This whole job, I didn't remove anything. All I did is bolted that bracket on there, and that whole job didn't take 2 minutes. Plug and play. So, figured I'd share that with you. This is the hose that you take off. That's the jumper that goes to your intake. So, anyway, there you go. We'll catch you on the next one. I guess I changed my mind. I'm gonna give credit where credit is due. That this particular brand here, because it is plug and play, that's why I purchased it. About $150. But anyway, to me, you know, not having to fiddle with no hoses and all that good stuff, well worth the money. Job took a couple of minutes to complete. It's done. Truck is ready to go. Hopefully you can use the video. We'll catch you on the next one.